Look at that. You got him a catfish. Look at him. Can y'all even see him? A little channel cat. Right there, you see him? Big old snake. That's a big old water snake. Look at him go. You got him a meal. Oh, it's all right, buddy. I'll leave you alone. Got him. Got him. On the fluke. Yeah, little bitty pounder. But you know what? We got him. Look at that guy. He's pretty. Ate that fluke. I watched him. I seen him come up and swirl on it. Dang, son. There we go. Looks like he's got worms. See you later, buddy. Dang. I already need a new one. I'm gonna put that one in my pocket. Let's grab a new fluke because they're hitting them. GoPro, stop recording. Got him. Ah, come on. Oh, there we go. Number 2. Another little pretty guy. Probably about 1.5 pounds. He's not very big. Yeah, I know. Fine, be a jerk. I'm trying to help you out and you're being a jerk. Come on. Come on. See him just being like, I'm gonna jump out of your hand because I'm a jerk. Jerk. Dang it, what the heck happened to my fucking fluke? It's like, what? Got him. I knew there was one right here. A little pounder, 1.5 pounds. I don't know if it's a male or a female. There he is. That's another one for the day. Let's get him in the water. Whoosh! Weren't getting away that time. Oh, no. You gotta be kidding me. Oh, damn it. Fuck. That just ruined my fucking day. Shit. Well, at least I caught it on camera. I can send this to Jason. Hey, Jason, man, my rod just broke on this tiny little bass. What kind of warranty we got? Can y'all help me out? Let me get him back in the water. Dang it. You little jerk, broke my rod. GoPro, stop recording.